Yeah, good day to you, all my listeners, my viewers. I'm back again with another one. Now, I want us to look at a quick topic. I want to look at this topic I titled "A Quick Look at Supply and Demand Zone." There's a strategy I want to point the order block strategy now, and we are going to use this VIX 10 as our focus for the day. You know, this is our focus for the day, and as you can see, I want to show you something that is very, very important in this chart. If you look at this area closely, let me let me make this very clear. If you look at this area closely, this is what we have in this area. This is it. Look at this area. What happened here? You see rejection, rejection, rejection. Then price, try to push, and what happened? You see this drop, strong impulsive move, one, two, three, and this break. You know, you see one, two, three, and this break. Look at what happened here. One, two, three, and this break, and see what happened. One, two, three, and this break. Now, this is on the monthly time frame. We can see this is a strong zone where there's enough supply. It's a strong zone where there's enough supply, where you can actually see sellers are actually waiting, for price to come to this zone. Then they can actually jump right in, and the way sellers can actually jump in is when you go to the lower time frame, you can find a good entry, a good position where um, sellers can actually jump right in. But one thing I want us to understand about this area is this is a zone, and what can we say? What can we say zones in the forex market are like? Or say zone is a spot on the chart where price actually reverse. That is one key information. A zone is a point in the chart where price actually reverse. Just take that, note that price actually reverse in a zone. See, as strong as this zone, see what happened. Price came, try to, if not for the fact that it's a strong downtrend and the price is actually respecting the downward movement, what happened? Price actually had a little, daily dandy dancing up and down, and couldn't reverse here, and the fall continued. So this is a zone. The zone is actually a place where price actually reverse. Also, you can see traders, like sellers, are actually waiting that whenever price gets to come back to this area, I promise you, you see sellers jumping right in. So if you want to actually sell this, looking at it from this point of view, say, okay, this is the higher time frame, and you want to place a sell here, you can actually say, okay, we'll go to the lower time frame. We'll use the weekly or the monthly time frame to actually look for where we can actually place a sell. This is the monthly, so we'll use the daily time frame as our key area. Now, let's look at it from the weekly. Okay, we'll see this place. You can actually see we'll wait for price here, that sellers are actually within this area. Sellers are actually within this area, because this is a strong indication that price came in. Sellers came in, and price got rejected before this strong, bearish candle came to push price down. So we can actually see this is a key focal point where we can actually wait for price. That when price come here, sellers will be so anxious, so waiting for price to, get to this area. As soon as price hits this point, you see sellers jumping in to push price to the downside. So This is how to trade this market. Sellers are actually here waiting to do the needful. Remember, this is a strong zone. Remember, this is a zone. You can actually say this is a zone because where we have multiple break rejection. So price can actually, fall down here. You know, price can actually come down here. Got rejected. You know, price can actually come down here, get rejected, and move back a little to this same area. To this same area. Price don't actually move in a straight line, but if you actually want to make profits, this is how you can trade this on the weekly. Just mark this, or say this is the weekly time. Price can actually move down from this area, fall down to this strong. If price did pull through, you can say, okay, we're expecting price to get to this key area, then either bounce off like this to this and get rejected again, back into this area. Then maybe, as you can see, one thing with zones, they get weak as time progresses. When we have multiple rejection, they get weak as time progresses, and we think this area can be weak, and we see price getting out fully. And if we can get this, we'll say, okay, price is about to change, or the trend is about to change. And this is another zone where we can actually see another block. This is another zone where we can actually expect price to do the dance again. Price can actually come here, get rejected again, and push down to this area. This is how this thing works. So you should know Forex respects zones. It respects zones. It respects the order block, where price can actually hit, do a reversal, a U-turn. A particular set of traders that are in that zone will actually be there to either push the market upward or get rejected, and price will either go, depending on the momentum, price will either go to the downside or continue going upward. So this is it, guys. This is how to trade the order block, or supply and demand zone. This is a strong supply here. As you can see, there's a strong supply here, and support happen when you see supply. You see a strong impulsive move, a sea of either green or red candles moving towards the trend direction. And as you can see, this is a strong direction. It's a strong selling direction. What price is actually doing. So this is actually another way to trade the zones or the order block. So I want to encourage you all, if this video is of a great value to you, you can actually subscribe, give it a like, give it a thumb up. You can drop a comment below the comment section. Down there in the community section, you can actually have a chat. You can discuss as traders, what you actually want us to improve, in our video, on our presentation. This is Mikey's FX Academy. My WhatsApp number is right there. You can chat me up. Are you a trader? Are you a newbie, a beginner? You want to know more about the forex market? You want to know more about synthetic indices? You want to be a professional trader? You can actually, chat, call right in and join our mentorship program, so that you can get it right. If you've not been getting it right before, if you've been trading with so much loss, I can actually guide you, put you in the right step, put you in the right frame of mind. One thing with trading is you have to be patient. Majority of us are not that patient. We always want to make the money, see the money count. We always want to make the money. So since it's forex, we hear it is the market where you can actually trade dollars and make more dollars. So people want to make money, forgetting that this is a simple game that you have to be very patient with. If you are not patient with, you end up blowing up accounts. You end up saying forex is a scam or stuff like that. But I bet you, if you are patient enough, if you follow the normal rules, if you follow the skill set in forex, you actually get it right and be very productive. So I'll leave this video here, and you can actually reach me anytime, any day. I'll be there to give you one-on-one discussion, boost, assist you, setting up your trend, fixing indicators for you if you have a laptop, a desktop. So I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.